Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter number 1 of Commerce Business Environment. First of all, we will understand the meaning of commerce. We are going to study commerce. Okay, my dear students, commerce. What do you mean by commerce? You have studied this in class 11. How can you explain commerce? And what are the contents which we study under commerce? Can you tell me? Okay, listen carefully. Commerce is a such type of activities. Commerce is in such type of activities which help to operate a business concern. Getting you all are? Commerce is a group of activities, not a single activities is commerce. Commerce, what I am saying, commerce is a group of activities which help to operate a business concern. Getting you all are? And what type of activities we do for operating a business? What type of activities which are helpful for the operating a concern? Without these activities, we cannot operate any concern. We cannot run smoothly any concern. Getting you all are? See here, the these activities, whatever we are going to see here, under these activities, transportation, transportation, transportations, okay, postage, postage means post office, without sending of goods, or if any mail or any uh, letter through postage staff. Banking, without banking is anything possible? No. Banking, way of communication, way of communication, what type of communication we use, traditional or modern way of communication. Transportation, getting? Transportation, technology. Okay, so by these activities, these are helpful to for operating a concern. So all these activities, whatever we do, what I am saying, the definition of commerce, listen, all those activities which are helpful to operate a concern, that all will be considered under commerce, that all will be considered as in commerce. Getting, my dear students? So under one activity is environment, business environment, what type of environment or we are providing for the concern. Getting? So we are going to study here for operating a concern, the first chapter of your class 12 syllabus, that is business environment. That is business environment. Business environment. You can see on your screen the chapter is business environment. Getting? Business environment is made by two words, business and plus environment. Getting? What do you mean by business? What do you mean by business? Business is such type of legal activities which has done for earning profit. Getting you all are? Listen very carefully, my dear students. Business is a such type of legal activities which has done for earning profit. That is called business. And environment, इसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं, what we say in Hindi, it is called पर्यावरण. What? पर्यावरण means if we talk about Hindi name, then its name made by two words, Parya means pari dhan avaran. Pari dhan avaran. Pari means charo or. Pari means the surrounding of all the things, and avaran means a kavach which protect to business. Getting? So my dear residents, it is for only knowledge concern, for your knowledge concern. See here, business environment is made by two words. First one is business and second one is environment. Business environment. Business already you are getting, and environment you are getting. Environment is that thing which affect, it is some totality of all individual internal and external factors which affect the business concern, that is called, which affect the things you can talk about, which affect the things, that is called environment. Getting you all are? So we can see the definition of the business environment. If we see what we get, see here in your book, business environment is the aggregate of all and events and influence the surround and affect the business organization. According to Keith Davis, what he said, business environment is the aggregate of all conditions. Aggregate means the total of all internal and external factors which affect your business concern. Getting you all? So the definition of business environment is, we can see here, this is the very good definitions, you can learn it. Business environment is the aggregate of all conditions. Getting? Business environment is the aggregate of all conditions, event and influence the surround and affect the business organization. So this way we can easily understand the definition of business environment. Getting? Okay. In the chapter this chapter we can see the next thing, features of business environment. Features of business environment. Okay. Features of it, the first feature is totality of external factors. See here, totality of external factor. What I said, my dear students, business environment is the totality and aggregate of all the internal and external factors which affect your business concern. First point, getting over. Second, general and specific forces. When we talk about the general forces are those type of forces which affect equally to all type of business organization. Getting you all? General and specific forces. This is the most important feature of the business environment. We can see here, when we talk about general forces which affect equally all type of business organizations, and specific forces are those type of forces which affect directly to any business concern. So by these way we can differentiate to general and specific forces. The business environment consists both type of forces which affect the business organization. Getting you all? Third feature is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness means all the things which are interrelated with each other. In business concern, everything is depend on each other. They are not dependent. They are not independent. Sorry, they are all are interrelated. Both all the activities are interrelated with each other. Next, complexity. Yes, complexity features. Complexity. Business environment is very complex in nature because it consists all the internal and external factor which affect the business concern. Getting you all? Complexity, it means economical causes, social causes, political causes, technological causes, all the causes we can see here. If you will study, then you will get what complexity. The business environment is very complex in nature, so it's the most important feature why business environment is complex. It's a 2 marks question also. Okay, next, dynamic. That dynamic business environment always change, keep on changing. Dynamic means all time want to be changed. Everything want to be changed under business environment. Dynamic. Uncertainty, there are so many there are so under uncertain conditions. There are no anyone, no one is knowing about the certain about this. No one can talk about the certainty of the business concern, because one, if suddenly one transaction will come, then will boost up your business concern, and one transaction will come, so if you will get lost, then your business will get in loss. So these the conditions are uncertain. Relativity, business environment is relative concept as different country from every reason to reason. Getting volar means according, if we talk relativity means business environment is connect with the relativity means under India there are several type of conditions, there are several type of things, and the business we do according to the conditions. If we go in the foreign countries, then we get the different type of conditions. The conditions are relative means they are connecting things which connect to the business environment. Multidimensional you are getting. There are it's a important topic, and we will see in the next. Business environment is multidimensional. Okay, there are two dimension, micro and macro. We will see what type of things we will study. Micro. Mutual dependencies means each and everything different economic concepts, components, and business environment. You can see here different economic or business environment are interdependent. For example, economic forces affect non-economic forces. Diversity, there are so many diverse things in the business environment. Non-controllable, yes, some things are beyond your control. Some external causes, you cannot control over them. Okay, some internal factor you can easily control, but external causes you cannot control. So by this way, these all are the features of that business environment. My dear students, please learn it and study it. Okay, the next topic is importance of business environment. Importance of business environment. What is the importance of business? Why business environment is more important for any business concern? We will see here. First thing, what? First mover advantages. See here, first mover advantages. Under this means, suppose in 1976, there were no any car company or automobile company over India. Okay, Maruti has started the first step regarding this and established and launched a new car. What? Maruti 8, Suzuki 800. Getting you all are. And first mover advantages means Maruti car firstly move in the field of automobile company, and from that time Maruti is getting advantages as the more reliable company or more best company of the India, car company in India. So any car company till now is not capable to compete with Maruti. You can see in your market, you can see in your environment, whatever you see, you get the most of the car from the Maruti car, from Maruti Suzuki. Why? Because first mover advantages. Because Maruti has collaborated with the Suzuki and launched a new car, Maruti Suzuki 800. So first mover, if you go in, if firstly move any business organization, firstly move any business opportunities in any business sector, then what they get? They get the most reliable starter company which has started to this, which bef- one more example I want to see. You can Paytm karo. You are getting all these things, advertisement. Paytm karo means Paytm has started a initiative to as payment bank. And in these days what we are seeing, Paytm is the getting more advantage because Paytm has firstly moved in this sector. Getting? So first mover advantages, for this the business importance of business environment is increases. Second, early warning signal. Early warning signal. If we are under business environment, if you are under business and if you are not getting the environment, then it will be very harmful for our concern. So early warning signal, it means we will see our competitors who will enter in the market. We will consider in our mind the competitors, the very complexity, adverse effect, all these things we will understand through business environment. That's the reason that's the reason the importance of business environment is increasing day by day. Second point, third point, customer focus. If we talk about business environment, then we talk about the customer focus, what the customer thinks, what the customer need. We talk about the need of the customer, we talk about the customer satisfaction. Customer in my mind, every business organization, customer has in their mind. Okay, means they thinks about the customer, they thinks the need about the customer, what customer wants in actually, and they provide like that. Getting? Fourth, strategy formulation. Strategy formulation means if there are some any extra type of opportunities are coming, then we have a, suppose we have, if we have strategy, then we can easily compete with, or we can easily take over on that strategy or that opportunities. If we are not having that strategy, then we cannot do. Suppose one company is ITC, you can see here, ITC, Indian Tobacco Company. It is the most famous company in India, ITC product. You can see in advertisement also. So in this, according to this company, Indian Tobacco Company, it this is it's doing business in the tobacco field or tea. Tea, do you know? Chai. Getting? So this company has started a new opportunity in the field of travel tourism also, and tourism industry, it has started to promote in tourism industry in India. So strategy and formulations, all the business or environment see the opportunities and start the working for getting them. Coping with changes means according to the changes we can easily adjustable, we can adjust. Okay, the business, if we are getting the things of business environments, then we are adjust according to the environment, coping with changes. Public image, yes, business environment, if you are maintaining the public, a good public image in market will be built up. We can see in the private bank or public sector bank, we in our mind private bank are give private bank gives the better facility compared to the public sector bank. So it helps to create a building image of public image getting evolved. Continuous learning, yes, business under business environment, day to day by day basis, there are lots of changing in technological manner, in concept manner, in practical manner, in practical approach manner. There are several type of conditions, there are several type of things, there are several type of concepts are coming. So it's a sector of continuous learning. If you will not learn, you will not earn. Getting, if you will not learn, you cannot earn. So by this way we have seen what today in this chapter, meaning and definition of environment, features and importance of business environment. Okay, in the next class we will see dimension of business environment. Thank you for today. Hope you all are getting and watching the videos, and if you are not getting, then you can ask me. If you are getting, if you are not getting, listen once again and again videos. Okay, we will definitely we will get. Thank you class.